Okay, bestie, imagine we're on FaceTime right now. It's late. You've got your bonnet on. I've got my matcha, and I'm about to tell you exactly how I built my nail brand from scratch using AI. Like literally from $0 to fully booked out. And the craziest part, I didn't even have a full setup or clients at first, just my phone, my creativity, and these AI tools that changed everything. So grab your snacks because this story is a mix of tea, strategy, and manifestation energy. So rewind to when I first started, girl. I was broke. Like, not kind of broke, but checking my account before buying coffee broke. I knew I wanted to build something with nails, something that could be mine, but I didn't have a fancy salon, I didn't have expensive equipment, and I didn't even know where to start when it came to marketing myself online. That's when I started playing around with AI tools, literally just experimenting. I used ChatGPT to write my first nail brand bio, create caption ideas, and even come up with business names. Then I used Canva's AI Magic Write to build a full content calendar, complete with daily post ideas and trends to hop on. It started feeling less like guesswork and more like I had a digital assistant helping me run my business. Let me tell you, one of the hardest parts of starting a beauty business is finding your aesthetic. Like, what do you want people to feel when they see your brand? AI helped me figure that out too. I used Midjourney and Ideogram AI to create brand mood boards. Think pink tones, gold accents, a clean luxury vibe, and inspo nails that matched my dream clientele. Then I hopped into CapCut's AI video editor and started posting short nail tutorials, hauls, and transformations. You know, the girl talk kind of content. The captions and hooks were written by AI too, but I'd always add my personal touch, that hey bestie vibe that made it feel like we were just chatting. Before I knew it, people started commenting like, wait, how are your videos so aesthetic? And I love your branding, it looks expensive. And that's when I realized AI wasn't just helping me create content, it was helping me elevate my brand. Now, here's the part that still blows my mind. I used Notion AI to create a full booking system. I had my nail service menu, price list, policies, and automated DMs all in one place. I even made chat templates for client responses, like how to confirm appointments or politely say no to last-minute reschedules. Then I used ChatGPT again to write my policies and even client-friendly messages like, hey love, just a reminder your appointment is tomorrow. Everything looked so professional that clients assumed I had a full team behind me. Nope, just me, a few AI tools, and a whole lot of coffee. By the second month, I had my booking calendar filled, and half of my new clients said they found me through my content. The same content AI helped me create. The real game changer? Automation. I use Later AI to schedule my posts and Notion AI to plan my daily goals. I even used TTS tools to create voiceovers for my nail tutorials when I didn't feel like talking. Like girl, AI was literally doing the heavy lifting while I focused on perfecting my sets. That consistency made people trust my brand. I wasn't just posting random pictures, I was posting storytelling style videos, behind the scenes clips, and tutorials that made people feel connected. Every time I posted, my DMs would go off with new clients wanting to book. Fast forward to now, I've got a solid brand identity, loyal clients, and content that looks like I have a full production team, but it's really just me and my laptop. Using AI made me realize you don't have to have money to look professional. You just need strategy, creativity, and a little tech savviness. And bestie, this is only part one. In the next episode, I'm spilling the exact AI tools I use step by step, from how I automated client responses to how I used AI to design my press-on nail packaging. If you're trying to start your own beauty or nail business, don't let fear hold you back. You don't need thousands of dollars, just the willingness to learn and the right tools. And if you need a little help getting started, check out my online beauty shop. I've got beginner-friendly resources, ebooks, and nail essentials to help you glow up your business. Remember, bestie, this is your sign to start messy, start small, but start now. Okay, let's be real. My content at first was giving 2016 Facebook filter vibes. But once I started using AI tools like Runway ML and CapCut's Auto Enhance, my videos went from grainy to glossy overnight. I used AI to remove background noise, adjust lighting, and even generate captions that matched the aesthetic of my brand. That's when I realized your content doesn't have to be perfect, but it just has to feel intentional. People connected more when I added personality. The giggles, the little girl, wait till you see this set moments. Those natural clips made my videos feel authentic while AI handled the behind-the-scenes polish. Once my content started getting traction, I had to switch from creative mode to CEO mode. I used ChatGPT to help me understand pricing psychology and how to word my policies so clients respected my time. I even had it generate business email templates and contracts for collaborations, and press on nail orders. It was giving corporate baddie energy, and honestly, that's when my confidence skyrocketed. Because suddenly, I wasn't just a nail artist, I was a businesswoman with structure, strategy, and systems. The AI didn't just help me work smarter, it helped me think smarter. Now I look back and realize this whole journey wasn't just about nails, it was about evolution. Using AI taught me that we live in a time where creativity and technology can literally change your life if you know how to use it. It made me dream bigger, not just filling my appointment book, but building a brand, expanding my YouTube channel, and maybe even launching a digital course for beginner nail techs. Because if AI could help me go from $0 and overwhelmed to fully booked and glowing, imagine what it could do for you. And the best part? This story isn't done yet. We're just getting started, bestie. So bestie, if you made it this far, I just want to say thank you for tuning in and hanging out with me, like we always do on our little FaceTime sessions. This journey of building my nail brand with AI literally changed my life, and I wanted to do the same for you. Don't overthink it. Don't wait for the perfect time. Just start, whether it's with your phone, your ideas, or a free AI tool. Because once you take that first step, everything else starts aligning. And if you're ready to start your own glow-up era, don't forget to check out my online beauty shop. I've got beginner-friendly resources, ebooks, and nail essentials that'll help you start your business with confidence. Plus, my Shopify shop. Everything's linked down below in the description. Before you go, make sure to like this video, comment your favorite AI tool,